Over here, you've got the headphone controls. Now, these are essential to understand, and they do have possible complications. Basically, on Ch1 and Ch2 setting here for the mode, you will hear through the headphones, whichever way this is set, channel 1 or channel 2. Channel 2 that side, channel 1 that side, as the labels say. In the middle, you'll hear a blend of both. This is how loud the headphones are. So in this setting, you hear whatever you set it to hear. The idea being, you could have an audience listening to this out of the volume. You could have this one's volume down, but that's set there, and you would be hearing this in headphones. The audience would not. So you can use this to prepare the track in this side before the audience hear it. Essential part of DJing. In this mode, this is completely ignored, and instead you hear whatever you've got turned up here. The purpose of that is when you're practicing at home and don't have speakers, or you want to do things you don't want other people to hear at all because you're not perfect yet, you might feel embarrassed, you can do without speakers entirely, set it to master and practice everything you want to do in headphones alone. In this mode, in the headphones, this has no difference. This has all the difference. In this mode, in headphones, this does nothing. They make all the difference.